guys, thank you for joining me. I'm Carrie with Core Marketing Group, and today we're talking about buy buttons and how you can leverage the power of Shopify. If you do not have a full Shopify site, you can, and you have a site on Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, WordPress, any other third-party platform, you can actually utilize Shopify buy buttons to be able to sell products on your other site along with a whole checkout process. So today I'm going to show you how to set that up and to customize it, and then also how you can utilize checkout links in things such as your email campaigns, social media, etc. So here I am on my test site, and if you do not have the buy button channel loaded on your current Shopify site, you'll need to go over here to sales channels, and then you'll find the option for the buy button and go ahead and load it. So I already have it installed here on my test site. So we're going to hit create a buy button. So you have two options. You have a specific product, and then you also can display a complete collection of products on a full page. So today we're just going to do the product, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. So from this screen, it's going to show our product. We'll be able to customize how it looks and what type of features and functionality we want for our checkout process. So from here, you have different styles. So the basic's just going to be your button. The classic is going to include your product image, the name of your product, the cost, and your add to cart button. And a full view is going to be like it would on, say, like a shopping cart page. So we're just going to do the classic. And then here's the action. When people click, do you want them to add the product to a cart, or would you want them to go directly to checkout or open product details? Today, we're just going to do add a product to cart. And then here's our button style. So you can play around with like the width of your button, the corners, the background color, and the text color, and then your font, and also the size. Okay. And then if we click here on our shopping cart, you'll see that as well. So what we'll do next is, then we'll go back here, and then you can look at the layout. So this is the layout. If you want your image to be larger, you can do so. If you had additional thumbnails for your product, you could have them viewed. And then the name of your button, alignment, and then if you want to have more than one, the quantity, and then you can change your product, your price, colors, again, the font, the size of it, and your price. Okay? And then we're going to go back to the shopping cart. You can customize that as well. If any checkout information, you want to show an order notes section, etc. And then you can change the colors there as well. Okay, so once we've done and gone and customized everything for this checkout button, you'll want to hit next. And so what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll just copy this code. And then if you click on any of these links too, it's going to give you specific instructions, whether it's WordPress, Squarespace, Wix. So today we're going to be using WordPress. I already have my blog set up. And I'm going to go over here and find where I want to actually embed my product. So I'm going to cut and paste it there in the text section. So if you're on any other platform, you're going to want to go to the HTML section and then embed your code there, and then just go ahead and save. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, and so you'll see we have our product now. So this is on a WordPress blog. If I hit shop now, then I can actually go through and check out for our product right here on this WordPress blog. So that is for embedding a product in your third-party landing page. So just think if you want to do affiliate landing pages, if you wanted to do funnel pages where you're selling direct products, if you were in part of like a trade show or something and maybe you wanted to embed your products on another person's website, that's an option. So also another thing that you can do is I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to show you direct links. So we have, if you go over to your products, and this is possible now once you have the buy button embedded. If you click on your product, you're going to be able to go here over more actions, and you're going to be able to create a checkout link. Okay, so I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to copy the link. Okay, so say I'm in my MailChimp campaign. I want to send this out, and I'm going to edit the design. And say I have a button of, and I'm going to go ahead and pull a button in over here, right? And I'm going to do shop now. And then I'm going to put the link that I have, okay? All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and preview this. So if I go down here now and click shop now, it's going to open it directly to a checkout to actually order this product. So that's how you can utilize the checkout links and embed them throughout social media, throughout your email campaigns. The sky's the limit if you want to try to sell products directly through a link. So also, if you don't have a full-fledged Shopify site, there is also a Shopify Lite plan, and this will allow you to have Shopify without the cost of having the entire platform, and this will be able to give you the power to use the buy buttons so then you can keep your costs minimal but still use Shopify as your e-commerce checkout. So thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, as always, you can connect with us on our Instagram page at Core Marketing, or you can head over to our website at coremarketinggroup.com. Thank you.